Hi, I'm Lane, and today we're making this aeroplane, and this is how it flies. It flies better than that, depending how you throw it. So let's do the steps. So first, you fold this like this, open it, fold it like that. And for that, and fold it down across and do this side here to here. It could be a bit difficult like it's doing now. Then you do the same with the other side. And then you see this part, you flick it up and then fold your paper plane like this. And if it's not working like that, just do it like this and fold it and fold the other side. Then you see these pockets, and this is how they fly on the make them. That's then. See you next time.